I love hula hoops. Do you know how to hula hoop? That was really fun to watch our friends hula hooping. I also love art projects. I invited my friend Mr. Rizzo today to have him teach us how to make hedgehogs. He's teaching it to his second grade class, so it is a little bit of a harder project. Make sure if you're going to try it at home that you have your guardian with you. Let's watch this really fun tinker time with Mr. Rizzo.
Hello, my name is John Rizzo. We're gonna make a little hedgehog together. I've already started and prepared this piece of wood for us. Originally this was a long board that was 2.5 inches wide, 1.5 inches thick. I cut off just a 5-inch section, and then I cut some 45-degree angles. So now the work we're gonna do together is we're gonna round his back, and then we're gonna sand him all smooth, and then pound in the nails. You can see, I've got a collection of rasps. So a rasp is sort of like metal sandpaper. It has sharp teeth. I'm gonna use this one, it's got a nice handle. All right, look at that. Pretty round. So now we're gonna start sanding. So first we're gonna use 60 grit sandpaper. Now that we've got it sanded all smooth, so I've got a box of nails here. So I'm gonna clamp him in again. Take my hammer. Of course, you gotta be careful with the hammer when it hits your fingers. A lot of the power in the hammer is in the weight of the head. And so the trick is to hold it here towards the end so you can swing it, let the weight of that hammer fall. If you get up too close, you're just using too much muscle. It'll be great. So we're gonna go ahead and pound in these nails. Gotta really make sure the clamp is tight. All right, looking pretty good. Yeah, I had so much fun making a hedgehog with you today, and I hope yours turns out even better than mine.
Those hedgehogs were so cute. That was so much fun.